Good morning, folks, and welcome to the pre-market insight for January 9th, 2019. Guess what? It's another gap up. Let's go. We're looking at a chart of the ES S&P 500, and thus far coming in, we have a gap up of about 10 points, currently trading at around 32.71. Looking back at yesterday's action, we had this remarkable move up of the lows of Tuesday evening, when we had the geopolitical headlines concerning the strike on the American army base in Iraq. We then bounced all the way up to where we previously closed the last day at around 32.42. And then we had what was essentially a trend day, finishing just near the highs. In the last 15 minutes or so, we had influx of news that was then debunked pertaining to new airstrikes, and now we have a gap up to reclaim where we would have closed on the highs and some additional points to boot. Again, I said in my pre-market report yesterday, the ball is in the bull's camp, given this type of follow-through and this confirmation of the move yesterday. The bears had enough play and enough opportunity. If they were real sellers in this market, they had an opportunity to keep it down. They were not able to, which is a signal to the fact that, listen, the market wants higher. Don't fight it. Keep it simple, smarty. So what do we have for today? Today we're looking at, of course, we have this pre-market high at 32.74. So in the regular trading hours, we are going to look for a test of 32.74. If 32.74 does break, then we can easily add another 10 to 15 points on top there. So we can be looking at anywhere from 32.85 to 32.90 in today's session. If, however, we continue to hold in this very tight range, we may have an inside day where we pop back into yesterday's range with a low at around 32.52 and build out some value in this area, continued digestion, continued price acceptance, so that we can then make an attempt at new highs and continuation of this latest bullish advance. However, to the downside, if 32.52 does break, then very quickly we can see 32.44, 32.32, and God help us if 32.32 does break, then 21 and 07 are the next targets to the downside. Be safe out there today, guys.